The e-Traveler 140 Carbon is an electric wheelchair made from carbon fiber, making it both strong and lightweight. With the battery removed, it weighs just 18.7 kilograms, so it's easy to move and store when not in use. An easy folding mechanism ensures the wheelchair is ideal for frequent transportation, either in the boot of your car, on a plane, or on public transport. It also opens easily, so it's quickly ready for use. The easy-to-use joystick and controller includes power settings and a horn. A large display screen shows power levels, speed, the distance you have traveled, and how much charge is remaining in the battery. A Bluetooth connection also allows you to connect to a remote attendant controller or even an app that can be downloaded on your phone, so the chair can be operated remotely. To assist you getting in and out of the chair, the armrests can be raised and then locked back into place when in use. To add to a comfortable driving experience, the 140 Carbon also has front-wheel suspension. The battery can be easily removed and changed for charging, with charging ports on the battery itself and on the chair, under the controller on the armrest. The wheels can easily be unlocked and put in freewheel mode, allowing the chair to be pushed if required. It also has anti-tip stabilizers at the rear, keeping the wheelchair upright. To add to the features, a handy storage bag is also located under the seat, which can be secured. The e-Traveler 140 Carbon. Lightweight, sturdy and foldable for easy transportation.